Hello, my name is Justin Weathersby, and this is my depiction of Lab 2. So just to start off, let's look at the breakdown under the Windows Server 2012 VMware Player. I have my local host, my images file, and all my labs. And then here, I have my main file. I named it index just to distinguish it between the other main index files or default files inside the labs. So for here, I took all the CSS and just imported it, as you can see here. And the CSS is just in the main over here. Just a couple things. So let's go check it out. Alright, so this is my IP for over there, and this is the main index file, this file here. And as you can see, here's my photo and my about me, and here's something, just a little bit about me and my contact. So my contact takes you right to an email to me, which should take me to my Gmail. It does. So we can go back. Whoops, what happened? Let's go back to my about me. Okay, so now we're back here. We have my family page first. So if I click on that link, it takes a little bit about my family. I didn't know if I needed to put a picture in there, so I just did a description. And over here, same thing, my family. You can scroll over and see that. Nothing special. Let's see, this link will take you back. So next to my gallery, I wasn't sure what photos to put in there, so I just threw a couple from I had on my computer. So here, each one of them, when you click on them, takes you to the actual where the photo is saved. You can see the full size. So that's my dog. That's my friends at Disney. This is me here. And this is me playing hockey. So let's go back one more. Alright, so that's the gallery page, which will be here. And you can see it's just a link and then an image. And I just named each class as the thumbs class, which is also actually saved inside that main cascading style sheet. Okay, so first off, let's go to Lab 2. They're all links. These don't take you anywhere, but this one does. And so in my Lab 2, here's my questions, and it's just formatted. Let's say, let's go over there. Lab 2. You see here my default page. And it's just a list of links. And I went ahead and just imported that same main cascading style sheet from before, just so I could have this green background here. Just give it a uniform style. So here's 2.2, so it's the first question that we had to do. And under 2.2, you can see here. And it's just an unordered list, a grocery list. Pretty basic there. So let's go to 2.3. It's just another unordered list. It's actually an embedded unordered list inside of an unordered list. So we have that here, as you'll be able to see. Alright, let's go to 2.4. Let's go ahead and change it over here first. It's going to be another unordered list. Same thing with just embedded actors. So let's go back. 2.5. So we get a little more interesting, get into the tables. See 2.5 over here. I did my tables like this, and I just threw the style up here. There's only two things, so I went ahead and put it up here. Now I put the table padding under the actual data element, or the table element. So instead of in here where you say, let's say add a what's it, column spacing, or pretty much just to add spacing. I'm trying to remember exactly what I used. Let's see here, cell padding, that's what it is. So if I try to add a cell padding in here, let me do, just a simple 1. You can see here the cell padding is not a valid attribute. So I went ahead and took that out and just put the padding up here. Same thing with the background color and the heading. It's just for these two elements of class heading. That was pretty simple. And then now for 6. 6 is going to be, sorry, let's go back over here. 6. And come back. So 6 is just 4 checkboxes and 3 radio buttons. So as you can see, the radio buttons only allow you to select one. You can check all these. Same thing on the name, you can select either one. So So that one works. And let's go to 2.7. 2.7 is a map. So if we go over to 2.7 here, we can see that I made this image in Paint, by the way, and then added this map to it here. And there's just a circle that's just right inside here, so when you get too far out it doesn't click, but they all take you somewhere. This takes you to problem 4, 2 takes you to problem 2, 3 to problem 3, so on and so forth. And this takes you back to the page. And that should be everything for Lab 2. Thank you.